Hi, it's Susan Brewer. Today we're going to talk about getting yourself organized. A little bit different way than you're thinking. Whether you're a paperwork person or a computer person, and if you're buying a house or selling a house, I've got some good tips for you. First of all, keeping track of things that you have done, improvements, any of the details on the house from when you've purchased it, or if you're getting ready to sell, from the time you've purchased it till now, will be very helpful in us being able to describe features on your home. It also gives you more value because the buyer knows the items that you have upgraded to the property. Now, if you're a buyer, there's a certain amount of things you're expecting when buying a home, and this checklist could help you along the way. As a seller, now we're going back and forth a little bit, but I really want to talk to both of you here today. As a seller, you may be making a move because you need a bigger home, more garage space, a different type of yard, a different type of floor plan. So you need to go back and think about the things that made you love your home when you were going to buy it. Those are some of the facts that we need to know as realtors to be able to help your buyer understand why they should be cherishing your home as well. As that seller, even putting together a great note that can talk about some of the things that we as realtors really don't key in on. Your neighborhood functions, why you love the swim team, the golf team, why the different events, maybe it's a gardening club or book club, are things that you cherished about your home. Sharing that information with the buyer can really help them make a decision if your home works well for them. Now, as a buyer, we all see these great notes from buyers today that talk about why they want to buy your home, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. This will help on the sides of you seeing if your house fits well for this buyer, and maybe even able to point out some of the things about the neighborhood or about the neighbors. Again, things that we don't really key in on as a realtor, talking about the ages of kids here or there. That's something that we can't really comment on, but you, Mr. Seller, and you, Mrs. Buyer, would really like to talk about those things one-on-one. If we can help you in any way, organizing your notes, your paperwork, even from the time you move in, and also on the time of prepping to get ready to move out, please reach out to us direct.